My name is Justine Reed and I'm a trainee solicitor with Burgess Salmon working in Bristol. I had always wanted to be a solicitor, but I had sort of many years ago decided to do history at university and then had a good career in banking in London. I sort of fell into that. But even though I had a good career, I always regretted not following this ambition that I had. I had always been attracted to sort of the adversarial nature of law, sort of being involved in court cases and helping clients sort of win their cases. And I took a career break to look after my children and just knew I had to fulfil this ambition. So I applied to the University of Law to do the LPC and the GDL. I think as I researched the career more, I realised that it was intellectually stimulating. I like a challenge, and I knew that it would sort of satisfy that. And also I'm very ambitious, and I knew that the career there were great opportunities for career progression. Well, I relocated to Bath from London and was settled in the area and very happy, and wanted to sort of stay in the region. And so I have to say I was absolutely overjoyed the day that I discovered the University of Law had opened a branch in Bristol. Because for me, I remember when I graduated from London University many years ago, the College of Law was law school, the two were synonymous. And so for me, if I was going to fulfil this ambition of becoming a solicitor, I had to go to the University of Law. It was law school. I was completely blown away. There's sort of brand new state-of-the-art facilities. 2 minutes walk from the station, which to me was trying to juggle demands of a family and studying was fantastic. Right in the centre of Bristol. And I suppose I trusted them. I knew that getting a training contract and passing the exams was going to be hard, and I thought they'd been doing it for so many years. To be frank, they're going to know what they're doing and they're going to get me through this course. And I also knew that there were lots of branches of the University of Law and the sort of the extent of the Careers Advisory Service, and I thought that the longevity of the university means that they must know an awful lot, have a lot of contacts at law firms, and that will help me enormously in securing a training contract. So each day is different in terms of I might be in London, I might be working here, I might be having sitting in on client meetings, I might be drafting documents, could be helping with careers events. It's just different. I mean, it's challenging, I can't deny. You're always ever so slightly out of your comfort zone, but I think that's inevitable as part of sort of the development of it. And also you are given a huge amount of responsibility, and I remember being told that before you start, and you think, no, I'll just be photocopying. But I remember on day one I sat in on a conference call with a client that was a household name and was introduced on that call. And in litigation, in my first year, I had my own client, which was such a wonderful opportunity. I mean, again, slightly daunting because I was running their litigation matter, but I saw it right through from inception to settlement. Was responsible for billing the client, invoicing and billing the client. So yeah, it is challenging, but it is great fun. I feel very privileged. I genuinely feel very, very privileged. I mean, in the short term, it has to be to qualify Burgess Salmon into a department that has at least a contentious element, whether that's disputes and litigation or employment or family, I don't yet know. That's sort of in the next 12 months what I would very much hope to do. And then I think in the medium term it would be to develop knowledge and within that sector or that practice area, and sort of start to develop expertise in one particular area when I know which way I want to go. And then I genuinely believe that if I do it well and work hard, could possibly lead to partnership, and that would be the ultimate goal. No, I definitely recommend the University of Law. I'm thanks to the University of Law, I'm now training in one of the UK's leading law firms, and I've absolutely no doubt that is due to the help and support I got at Bristol, at the University of Law. Obtaining a training contract and passing the exams is difficult, and the tutors were supportive, the materials were excellent, the careers advisors are so passionate and helpful in helping. They will do everything they can to put you in the best possible place. I mean, you do have to work hard, but they equip you with what you need to do that. And I know that I'm training with Burgess Salmon because of the University of Law.